the book of Judges, when you read the book of Judges, may you realize that what you need in your life is a gospel king. Na ang kailangan mo sa buhay mo ay isang ebanghelyong hari, isang makapangyarihang hari, isang mabisang hari, isang Kristong hari. Kaya ikaw, ano ang mga kasalanan na nagpapahirap sa iyo? Kaya ni Jesus yan. Napagtagumpayan niya ang lahat ng kasalanan. He can empower you in His Spirit and in His kingly reign. Jesus is our gospel deliverer. Jesus is the godly Davidic king who did not sin. Jesus is our sinless king and undying Lord. He is the breaker of sins and the changer of hearts. He can turn our rebellion into submissiveness and loyalty. He can turn kinglessness to bended knees and holy hearts. Ito si Jesus. Siya ang ebanghelyo na hari.